Hi, this is David with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today we're going to talk about a setup that we just created to double our outgassing capacity when we're trying to outgas cast vinyl. So we had this rig that we have purpose built, and that holds 4 tubes, which is usually enough, but we've got a large job to do and we needed extra outgassing capacity. So we rigged up some shipping tubes and taped them together. They don't have to be perfectly square. And we grabbed another fan from underneath our large format work area, put it on the floor facing down. If you put it face up and you put any weight on it, it will stop the fan blades from turning. Face down still allows air to push through or pull through. So we simply put our temporary setup on top of the fan, and we have doubled our outgassing capacity. If you're looking for this setup, the fan can be found under the large format table, and this box will be stored over in small format. Thank you.